shoots, score! Side play. Fires, score!
Right, James? So this is a critical juncture of the game. You're on the offensive side of the puck. You want to continue. Well, that's a real sneaky one that pulled the goaltender, James. Not much room available, but that one perfectly executed.
Fires, score!
Here's an opportunity. Toe got that shot up. Score! Well, I don't know what we want to call this. Focus. And he scores!
Great placement, but he had to get the one-timer off.
How will they defend this? A shot, score!
Got a goal. Really put the pressure on now. Moving around.
Man, he's just able to hammer that one.
Too tight on the goaltender.
Wrist shot, score! And the place goes nuts!
time watching the moves on the way.
Takes the shot. Shot. Scores! He takes the feed. Fantastic save. Tees him up. Denies him again.
Man, is he ever quick on his...
He scores! Off the pipe and bulging the twine.
Well, it's a game of inches, isn't it? And this time, those inches...
Against the wall. Moves inside. Scores! And they're on the board quickly in this one.
That's because they were ready, James. I mean, the first 5 strides right from puck drop were urgent. When you're aggressive and you're urgent on the puck, you find a way to put it in. I think he makes a really good read here.
Swarming around like bees here in the ozone. Skates with it. We'll talk about a friendly game right there.
Yeah, it's all about the bounces, isn't it, James? And you got to get the right one, and that one is in his favor.
The shot. Shot. Scores! And it's a tie game.
And turning it aside.
They've really got him on their heels here now. Some quick as a hiccup there on the board here in this one.
That's a dream start, James, and it's one that you're looking for. You want to get out front, and you want to make the save.
Sends a pass in front. He scores! What a
A great placement, but he had to get the one-timer off quickly, James, because he didn't...
Ovechkin. With the puck on the stick, into the offensive zone he comes.
And he scores! And they took to the early lead.
There's a goal with a goaltender. Hey, just move out of the way. You ain't got a chance.
Shimmy, shake by himself. He scores!